Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Hello app. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will click on Hello app and you will enter in this window. Then we go to first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on Clear Cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Hello app and then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.